back to Gokul Tech. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic in VBA, which is input box. Previous video we have discussed how to use message box to deliver a message to the user, and today in this video we are going to discuss how to get information from the user and executing in our code. Let's start with the programming. Before jumping into video, we have missed to watch that VBA and customized VBA by getting the information from the user and executing the program. Not to worry, we have provided the link in our description box. You can go ahead and watch it. Let's start with the today's session. So I have given our subroutine name as input box, and now I'm going to give two different variables to give summation for that. So I'm going to declare that as integer, dim a as integer, dim b as integer. So why I am declaring it is because when we are giving it in an input box, it will automatically consider that variable values as a text or a general value. So while you are performing mathematical functions, it will not give you the proper result what you are expecting. So that's why it is essential and very important point to give that integer or any value which you are going to take as a declaration. So now we have provided the declaration for our variables. Then now I am going to give it the variables by getting it from the user. So to get the variables from the user, what I am going to do, I am going to give a is equal to input box, which is the standard comment for the input box, and open the bracket. Now inform them enter the first value for calculation. So this is not mandatory that you have to give this big sentences. You can customize this according to your own views. Double quote and give comma to give the title for the prompt. I am going to give the title as first value. First value is provided. Now the second point what I am going to do is the second input box. I am going to give b is equal to input box, and again the same command I am going to give enter the second value for calculation, comma, and the title is second value. So we have declared the variable and we have asked the user to give the value for the variables. Now what we are going to do, I am going to perform multiplication with the existing or given number for the variables. So I am going to give a comment line for the performance. So we can give it by giving the single quotes over there, multiplication. Come down, and now I am giving another variable which is c is equal to a multiplied with b. Let's show this particular output in a message box. Message box c, or else we can give with an information if you want. The result is give ampersand to concatenate the value and c. Let's execute this program and excited to see the result. Yes, this is input box. I am giving it input box and run it, and I am going to give the first value for calculation is 10. Click OK. The second will be my 50. Click OK, and I got the result as 500. Click on OK. The program got executed successfully. So this is how you can use input box and get the values from the user, make the program or the application more interactive with the user, and get the desired result from the end user. Hope you have read this video very clearly. If you have any doubts, please reach out to us. We are happy to assist you on all the time. Meet in the next existing video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Thank you. Have a great day.